Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making honey garlic pork chops. Okay, so I'm just seasoning the pork chops. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be putting the pork chops in the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of water and some butter. Now it's time to put in the oven. I'm going to let it cook for a while, then I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, now it's time to make the sauce. So I added half a stick of butter, some garlic, and honey. So now I just added each piece of pork chop into the sauce, and there you go, it's done.